If you want to blur anything in your video, including your face, background or any custom text, this video is for you. Hello guys, I am Vishal from TechZonical. Now let's get started. As we all know, in today's world, there is a lot of requirement of videos. No matter if you want to post it on social media or you are making money out of it. The scenario can be anything. But no matter what, sometimes you definitely need to blur something in your video if you want to share it to the world. It can be quite tedious process to track faces, and you need to track this in After Effects, and that can be really tedious process. Also, such software can be very expensive. In this video, I will show you AVCLabs Video Blur AI, which is not only affordable, but also it is quite easy. With the help of AI, it can blur anything in your video, including background, face, or even that number plate or custom text, whatever you want. To get access to this AI application, you need to click the link given in description box below and watch this video till the end to understand the complete tutorial how you can blur it quite easily. After you click the link given in description below, you will land on this page. AI automated solution for face and video blur. You can pretty much blur anything in your video. You can select it, and with the help of AI, it tracks even if the objects are moving in the video. On this page, you can click try it for free, or you can click buy now to buy it. This software by AVCLabs is available on subscription basis. The yearly subscription costs you only $29.95 per year. However, if you need for short-term duration, you can also choose the monthly option, which is quite fantastic. That's why I say it is on affordable price. How easy it is, I will show you. I have already pre-installed this software in my computer, so let me walk you through the entire interface. I am just launching this software, and you can see the UI is pretty minimal. There is nothing you can see. I have some videos for test. To import the video in software, you need to click the browse button, or you can simply drag and drop. After you import the video, you can just play it just to view how the video looks. You can see the faces are moving here and there, and in such case, if you want to blur a face, it is quite difficult if you want to perform the same task in complex software. My use case for this particular video is quite different. I want to highlight this face and blur all other faces. In case if you want to blur everything, you can just say all faces and that's all. You can add face blur task here and that is done. But I want to assign faces. That is quite interesting feature of this software. You can perform two types of scan, frame scan and quick scan. If you perform a quick scan, there is an option to choose the frames. So it will scan one frame from every 5 or 10 frames as you define. But in this particular case, there may be some glitches. So that's why I perform frame scan. So each frame will be scanned. It will take a little while. I will start the scan. This software is now going for each frame and identifying each faces. Let's wait the process to be complete. I will skip the video and come back when it is done. Now the process is 100% complete and all the faces in different postures have been assigned. So there is an option called selection mode. You can choose blur faces you did select and blur faces you did not select. So I will select all and deselect this particular girl over here so that this face is not blurred out, but rest of all the faces and postures are blurred out. I will click OK over here, and now I will add a face blur task. You can see in the timeline there is a different layer added, which is called face blur 1. Now if you click the export video button over here, the default settings will be applied, but you can change them. To change the settings, click this tiny button over here and go to settings. In the settings menu, you can see as my computer has GTX 1650 graphics, so I will assign this task to graphic card instead of CPU. In case if you don't have a dedicated GPU in your computer, you don't need to worry. It will be assigned to CPU automatically. Here you can choose maximum memory consumption. I will leave it to high. The output format can be also selected. There is MP4, MP4, H265. Different codecs are available. Even ProRes MOV is also there. For now, I will just choose the default option, which is most standard codec for MP4 files. And you can also select output path, which is destination location where you want to save the video. Now I will click apply button over here and click export video. As you can see, this particular face was not selected. So that's why this particular face is highlighted, but rest of all the faces have been blurred out in the export. You can also notice when faces are moving from here and there, still it manages to identify them and blur it. Congratulations, your video has been successfully processed by AI. You can click view output video and the results are over here. So it will exactly look like it was displayed in the export format. Now I want to show you another example where you can fix blur anything. What it means is I will show you. Let's say this is a car and you want to hide the number plate. You can choose fixed blur point. Now this area you can particularly target over here. I will choose the blur shape to circle over here, so that it blurs out this circular area over here. Now I will add fixed point blur task and now I will click export video. As you can see, the area which is fixed is blurred out. Since this car is not moving and standing at one place, in such cases you can use this kind of fixed blur feature of this particular software. You can again click view output video and I will just show you. Now you can see the license plate of this particular car is blurred out. As you saw how effectively this software by AVCLabs has performed. To learn more about this software, you can click the link given in description box below and go to the features section where all features have been decently explained. Hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. Thank you for watching.